Welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy and I'm the keeper of our home here at 4D Farms, where we're all about faith, family, home, and farm. Y'all come on in and see what we're all about, because we want our channel to encourage you and inspire you on your journey. If you see something that you like, please give it a thumbs up, hit that like button. That helps our channel grow and reach more people. If you want to subscribe, and if you think other people can benefit from our videos, please share them. Y'all, we hope to see you in each and every video, and most of all, thanks for watching. Hey y'all, Tracy here, keeper of the home. Y'all know that dough we mixed up the other day? And I did the stretch and folds to it. Well, let's see how pizza turns out. Are y'all ready? Grab you a hunk of dough. I don't have my pizza stone. Like I said, we're on a work trip. I don't have my pizza stone or my pizza peel. So I just found a sheet pan and we're just going to do a long pizza. I took a big hunk of dough off, got it spreaded out. Now I'm fixing to put my sauce on and my fixings. Woo! All right, y'all. Excuse the mess, but I did it. I took my little traveling rolling pin, and rolled it out thin. And I've got my sauce. I have banana peppers, mushrooms, peppers, onions, mozzarella cheese, sausage, and pepperoni. Now we're going to pop this in a 425-degree oven until the crust is golden brown and crispy. All right, y'all, we're going to give this a gander. Y'all see that? Look at that. You hear it bubbling? Look at that. Let me close it right quick. Y'all, this is the reason why I like to travel. I like to use this dough when I'm traveling. Even if you're not traveling, if you want to make a quick bread, quick pizza, something like that, some rolls, and have your dough already mixed up and prepared, and then just get it out and shape it and bake it, y'all, this is your dough. Literally, by the time this gets done, I've invested 40 minutes. Simply because I already had the dough mixed up. Ready on a whim. I like that stretch and fold method because that dough was shiny and stretchy. Yes, this is going to be crispy and crunchy when it comes out. I'm sorry, y'all. Crispy and crunchy when it comes out. Y'all, you don't have to travel to use this dough, but this works perfect for me. Okay? So, even if you don't travel and you may not have a stand mixer and you may not want to do all that kneading, this is the dough for you. 5-minute no-knead bread. We'll see what it looks like in just a minute. It is out of the oven, y'all. And y'all, I honestly don't even think it took 40 minutes. Just the prep time for the dough and putting the fixings on and the baking time, and that was it. I'm fixing to slice into some of this, and I'll let you see what it looks like. All right, y'all. It's on the plate. I'm going to try to lift this up. Let y'all see that crust. Look at that crust. Y'all, look at that. Y'all got to give this dough a try. Traveling or not traveling. Easy peasy bread dough. I've done it at home on my pizza peel, traveling, and did one in the air fryer. Now in the oven, still traveling, and it works fine. Look at that. That's just awesome, y'all. All right, we'll see y'all in the next video.